Meanwhile, the military establishment has come up with a program designed to encourage rebels to rejoin the government fold. Dina Pagibitan reports.
The AFP has an alternative way of helping achieve peace with communist rebels. This is through the program called Gun for Peace. Under the program, rebels are encouraged to surrender their firearms in exchange for an amount and return to normal life. More than 10 million pesos has been set aside for this purpose. For the surrender of an M16, a rebel returnee will get 50,000 pesos. The amount differs on what kind of firearms the rebel returnees will turn over to authorities. The Gun for Peace program is being pursued by the AFP in the wake of the stalled peace talks with foreign-based leaders of the CPP, NPA, NDF. In an exclusive interview, Lieutenant Colonel Francis Cabugon, Chief Information Support Affairs Division of the AFP, told PTV4 that they see the program as an alternative way to achieve peace in the country. Aside from the cash benefit, the rebel returnees may also avail of the integration program of the Office of the Presidential Advisor on the peace process.
Paglapit kasi sa DSWD at saka sa LGU, may mga sari-sariling programa ito. May mga training sa TESDA, titingnan nila kung saan pwede silang ilapit, kung saan yung potential nila ma-develop.
The program aims to show the sincerity of the AFP and the government in pursuing the peace process with the communist rebels. It also seeks to give opportunity to all the rebels to be with their families, with the AFP assuring their safety.
Sinesecure ng Armed Forces of the Philippines or either police kung sinong malapit. May mga agreement kami na isisigurado sila hindi mabalikan ng kanilang mga kasamahan.
The AFP also has an appeal to the rebels.
Sa ating pong mga kasamang mga NPA, ang inyong armed forces ay nandito po para patulungan kayo sa inyong pagbabalik loob. Alam na po namin na pagod na rin po kayo sa inyong walang saysay na pakikibaka. Kung mayroong gustong mag-surrender, lumapit lang sa mga unit na nasa baba or lumapit sa mga local government units or sinong sangay ng gobyerno na pwede nating lapitan para sa ganon mailapit sila sa Armed Forces of the Philippines at ma-avail itong AFP Guns for Peace program.
For People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.